Hello everyone, today I will introduce to you a software that will help you to post in multiple groups automatically. First of all, I will add the contents that I want to post. I will add the category first, here for example, and I will add the content here. I will choose the content to post that I create, and then I will write the content here. Or then I will save the contents. And I will click on the viral marketing functions. Here has a lot of functions of Facebook, and I will click on the post group here. First of all, I will copy and enter the ID of group here. I have a list of groups that I want to post, and now I will copy the ID of this group. Here's the list of the groups that I want to post. I will copy the UID of the groups that I will enter the ID here. And I will enter here and save it. It's okay now. And finally, I will select the content that I want to post. For example, I will choose 3 content here, and I will click on the save. Finally, I just need to select all the accounts that I have and click on the start buttons. Now it starts to post in multiple groups Facebook for me automatically. So if you want to try the software, please contact me to try. Thanks for watching.